If you make content and you don't have a 360 tripod, you are wasting too much time. This is the Ulanzi 360 tripod. And man, let me tell you, this makes making content a lot easier. It follows your every single move and it's actually pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it the green light with this right here. You'll see it turn green. There it goes. So once it turns green, it just follows your every move. So I'm gonna turn and you're gonna see it turn with me. It goes a full 360. So whatever kind of content you're recording and you're trying to, have it follow you, this will follow you just the way it needs to. And then when you want it to stop following you in one place, you just put your stop hand out and it turns red, just like that right there. Right there. There you go. So pretty cool little gadget. I'll put the camera on it so I can show you how responsive it is as well. So this is the technology behind it here. There's a camera right there that actually follows you. That's what follows. This right here is a little remote that you can take out when you're recording. You can take it out to take pictures. You can push the little picture button right there. There's the on and off button. So if you want to turn it off, you just push that. This is the stop button if you wanted to manually stop it right there. So pretty nice, sturdy tripod, to say the least. The holder is actually pretty nice too. It fits any phone, it goes wider, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. Right now, it's right there on the red, so it's not moving. Anywhere I go, it's not gonna move, but as soon as I give it the green light, it'll turn green, and here it goes. So I can walk this way, and it'll turn with me this way, and I can walk that way, and it'll turn with me as anywhere I go. So if you're looking for something to make your content a lot better, this is the way to go right here. I can't say anything bad about it yet. I haven't found any bad things with it. So yeah, go and check it out on Amazon. They have it right there. Go check it out. And now the price is awesome as well. So can't beat that.